Just, yeah, you can make it fast, but you can keep the state, because we're both keeping state as the primary. So
it's like more of a forwardness rather than a making of.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it's our two flows rolling as opposed to us trying to make things happen.
And because they have that direction, they meet.
Yeah, and
but
they
if
roll.
I kept going sideways and stuff, it wouldn't.
Yes, they wouldn't roll as naturally. Yeah. And this is the kind of stuff when you have like a good training partner like you and I, you can just do this for hours.
So much fun.
And hours and hours and hours. Yeah.
Oh, this is sick.
Because then it's literally your flow and my flow meeting, and they just dance and we just watching it. Sick.
Oh,
Yeah, literally, that's it. And then you, like we said earlier, it's like imagine Marcus standing behind Marcus and John standing behind John, right? Yeah. And the Marcus behind Marcus and the John behind John is like a bit more centering, just tweaking the state conditions.
Yeah. That really helped with that little hand, like when I was tucking my hooks out, it really opened up a bit of
a new avenue of development.
Yeah, just for today. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. Because the thing is that we don't notice them because we get so used to what we're doing.
I need the guidance.
Absolutely.
You know?
That's why I said, like, you'd be able to develop if you went to America, but here you'd develop a lot faster. Cause,
you're around it.
Yeah, and there's people observing, looking, you're learning. Whereas there, you'd have no one doing this. You'd have guys that are doing Wing Chun, but not our style,
Just one piece of advice, that I wouldn't have had.
Yeah, that can just help you. So the guy in the dial back there just went. I just went more seeing and more sinking at him. Yeah. That's it. I didn't think now I'm going to do la pak da. It was the DJ back in this there. He's like, zzz. And the cool thing is that I'm starting to unlock new level of DJ. What it means, I've gone back to playing around with this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because people are getting ready for it. Like you, Jono, and a few others.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Expressing it in
That's even better. Like I find that even more fun. Like just being water, or being fire. Yeah, it's different elements. Yeah. Bring it in, guys, just for a second. I want us to keep going with that, but I want you to look at it in a different way. So, oftentimes what can happen is you can get caught up in what's happening here, right? We can get caught up in, they're here. That. What you want to think of it like, and I explained this to you guys before. So, imagine there's someone behind Marcus, which is actually Marcus, and he's the DJ Marcus, right? Right? And on this side, I'm here, but then there's a John DJ. And the things we've got are dials, centering, spiritual intention, syncing, and you've got all these different things that you can increase and decrease. If you think of it in that way, right? So Marcus and I match each other's flow. That's something you want to also take in mind. You're both putting the state on like a flow of water, right? My flow, Marcus's flow. The two flows meet and they dance with each other. and we observe that dance. So we both put our flow to each other, and the hands just dance according to what happens. He's not thinking lap da, I'm not thinking fuck sao trap strike. We're both just going to each other and letting it flow and roll, yeah? But then the DJ behind me, right? He's going, okay, now a bit more centering and sinking towards him, okay? Yeah, he's turning the dial up. I'm not thinking, now I'm gonna punch harder and hit. I'm playing with the dials in my consciousness to increase whatever part of the condition I'd like to manifest more. Maybe I notice I'm tensing up a bit in this. I'm like, fuck, my shoulders are feeling tight. I'm getting knocked back. Okay, more sinking, right? More sinking. Ah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, because then you can really go into an observation and skill development mode as opposed to, oh fuck, Marcus is fucking Fibonacci. I'm gonna fucking hit him. You know? Which is what can easily happen because we have that mechanism in us that wants to, you know, dominate, control, and this is my territory and my 64 wives. Stay away from them. You guys don't have 64 wives? No, I'm kidding. All right, so get back to it, but try to approach it in that way. Simplicity, I'll put it very simple. 2 flows flowing towards each other. Observe the flows and play with the dials. Centering, sensing, sinking, intention, state. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.